Okay, Artificial Intelligence Unit 5. The code is CS869 what? And topic is application of artificial intelligence. So application of artificial intelligence, that artificial intelligence playing vital role in all our world. It may that artificial intelligence is a transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, data security. So everywhere artificial intelligence playing the role. So we will see one by one. Artificial intelligence in astronomy. Artificial intelligence, it's very useful to solve complex, that as universal having some complex. It's a big one, so you can't just use your own. Human can't analyze the universal with their own eye or own equipment. So they have to use some kind of artificial intelligence technique to complex the universal problem. So for understanding universe, so such like how it will be work, how the originate everything. So the astronomy in artificial intelligence, not only that, you know, the artificial intelligence playing vital role in India also. That astronomy, that computer, Jadagam. So they using artificial intelligence for matrimonial purpose. Then artificial intelligence in healthcare. So AI is becoming boom in healthcare industry, and healthcare industries are applying artificial intelligence to make faster diagnosis of humans. So help the doctor to diagnose the patients. Also, that medical help that we can monitor the patient and we can get the medical help and each that first aid and everything is easily possible to the patient, and doctors also can give medicine through artificial intelligence. A gaming, so gaming purpose, it's entertainment oriented. So gaming is a strategy game like chess. Machine need to think a large time to a number of possible places. So no, human only think like that, but a machine won't think like that. So it will give very quick response in AI gaming. AI finance, so best matches of each other. That means it's implementing automation and chatbot, adaptive intelligence, algorithm trading, and machine learning into financial process. It's really finance oriented artificial intelligence is mainly used to avoid hacking, avoid human errors. So there the artificial intelligence is used. Then data security, so finance and security is more interrelated. So avoiding cyber attacks, so avoid theft of data. So here artificial intelligence rapidly increasing in digital world. So some examples, such as AEG board, A12 platforms are used to determine software bugs to cyber attack in better way. So AI in social media, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. So billions of users used in social media. So far we can store the data, retrieve the data, we can manage the data through this artificial intelligence. Travel and transport. So if you want to book hotels, flight, bus, ship, so whatever it may be, even if you go and come through from back to home to travel, There artificial intelligence placing, that is used for customers also. So AI powered chatbot which can make human like interaction with the customers for better and faster response. Artificial intelligence automotive industry. Some automotive industries are using AI to provide virtual assistants, such as Tesla introduced a Tesla bot and intelligent virtual assistants, and various industries are currently working for developing self-driven cars. Can make your journey more safe and more secure. And AI robotics. So artificial intelligence ultimate goal is the robot we have to make that should be think like a human, act like a human, and think rationally, act rationally like human. So when robot characteristics and features meet human activity, so that is the aim of artificial intelligence. So the robot is useful for human work. So wherever the human working in hazardous place, so there the robot will be work. Also it will avoid human errors, so human boring, and it will be work 24 by 7. So robot is always used not only just taking and picking, not like that, it's also worked in different side also. So it's a humanoid robot, that made by Japanese 1972. That's the first humanoid robot made by Japanese people. So that is used for communicate Japanese language. Also, they can measure distance and direction through their own ears and eyes components and perceptors. A entertainments, yeah, Amazon Prime, Netflix. So they are used that artificial intelligence algorithms. So billions of users to access through that social networks. So there the entertainment is playing artificial intelligence. Also Disney, they are making robots for movie making. The hundreds of robots, that is artificially intelligent. And artificial intelligence in agriculture. It's reduce the manpower. Also, it used to increase the uh, agriculture, cropping monitoring, predictive analysis, and help the farmers. So the artificial intelligence it is used to reduce the labor and time and money. So everything in agriculture. And e-commerce is e-commerce industry to trading purpose and shopping and discovering and producing and innovating new things to the customers and users and client, everything. So brand will be sent to particular customer and they will be satisfied easily through artificial intelligence. Then education purpose, yeah, this is we are speaking, we are seeing the education purpose. So students can monitor and easily to understand, easily get the answers for their queries, and easy to understand by weaving imagination. So virtual assistance in education side, that is artificial intelligence. So these are the applications of artificial intelligence. Thank you.